Hi guys, this is Kenya. Welcome back to Kenya's Decor Corner. So today I am so excited because I'm participating in a challenge called A Tribute to Mom, hosted by Kimberly Davis with Diva Designing on a Dime. So this is Kimberly's second year for hosting this collaboration, and I participated last year, so of course I want to participate again this year. Now, I would encourage all of you guys to be sure to go over to Kimberly's channel to check out her video and the playlist of all the other participants. And let me say again a big thank you so much to Kimberly for hosting this collaboration. Now let's get into the video. Okay guys, so for this challenge I'm going to use a picture that I have of my mom here, myself, my mother-in-law, and my sister. So these three ladies are very special to me, and they're all moms, so I want to just include all of them in this tribute. So I have that picture, and I have this picture frame that I think I'll be putting this picture in. I'm not sure just yet. This picture frame was a gift to me from my sister a couple of years ago. And also for this, I'm going to be featuring these Totally Dazzled little cards that they have. They're like 5x7 cards. I think these are so super cute, and they each have a different saying on them. It says glitter is my signature color, with like a silver sparkly background. And then we have this one, she who leaves a trail of glitter is never forgotten. This one is like a gold color, is looking kind of rose gold on here, but it's actually gold with glitter background. This one is rose gold, so it looks a little more pink. So this is your time to shine. And I have this one here, when in doubt, add more sparkle. I thought that was really cute. And this one has like a marbled background, and it says, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. So I thought these were really cute, so I'm gonna use a couple of them for this area that I'll be decorating. I also have some Totally Dazzled gems here. So these are like brooches, and so I just have a variety of them, and then I'm not sure which one I'll pick just yet, but these are the silver ones, and I thought these were so pretty. So I have a variety of those. I have some silver bling wrap by Totally Dazzled, and I also have some other brooches that are gold and with pearls, and these are very pretty also. They have bling on it as well. So here's one that's a lot of bling. So, and these are two picture frames that I have from the Dollar Tree. So this one's all silver, and this one's silver and gold. So you guys probably know where I'm going with this. But I'll be putting together some DIY projects too. These would also be great Mother's Day gifts, or anytime's gifts, you know, not just for Mother's Day, but anytime you need to give someone a gift, these would be a great gift idea. So yeah, let me put this together and let's start this project, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've placed the pictures inside the frames, and I put the cards inside the frames as well, and I think they look so cute. They turned out really well, but you know, of course I'm going to zhuzh them up a bit. So I'm using the Totally Dazzled bling wrap. I'm just going to cut it down to size and trim the picture frame with the bling wrap. And I'm just super gluing or hot gluing this down to the frame, as you can see here. And guys, let me remind you to be sure to go over and check out Totally Dazzled. They have a huge selection of all things bling for any of your projects that you might want to do, or just to use. You could wear these brooches actually as you know, a brooch on your dress, on your collar, with a scarf or whatever. And so you can see it's very versatile because I have the bling wrap going around the picture frame, and you guys have seen me use this bling wrap previously in other videos. But look at this beautiful brooch. This will be a beautiful gift also to a mom or for yourself. It has the back on there so you can attach it, but I'm going to use it as an ornament for this picture frame, because this is going to be a gift for my mom and my sister. So I'm just going to attach these brooches onto the picture frame when I decide which one I'd like to use. But again, be sure to check out Totally Dazzled. I will have their information in the description box down below. And also there will be a discount code listed there as well if you would like to make a purchase. And guys, their products are very affordable and very beautiful, as you can see here. So I think I've selected this brooch to use. I'm just adding some hot glue on the back. I'm leaving the brooch attachment on there because it's going to fit just fine. You could take that off if you like, but I think it's going to work out just fine. So I'm just hot gluing it down to the picture frame. Now look at how pretty that is. It was already pretty, but now it's like extra, extra, extra. I love it. And now I'm going to add a little more bling to this picture frame. It's already a beautiful frame as is, but I'm going to add some of the bling wrap that I've cut into a thin strip around the picture frame in the little grooves there, just to add a little more bling to it. I have the pieces cut to size. I'm just going to add a tiny bead of hot glue there and just attach it like so. So easy and super cute. It adds a nice bit of detail to this picture frame. And now I'll just choose a brooch to add to this one also. I think that one's very pretty. That is as well. Ah, now that's adorable. This one looks like a little bow, and I think it's just so cute. So super cute. And it's flat on the back. So I think it will fit perfectly right here in the corner. So I'm just adding a bit of hot glue and attaching it to the picture frame, just like that. So simple and easy. And it added a little bit of extra detail to the picture frame that's already really pretty. Now for our next project, I'm using the gold brooches with pearls and bling on it. And guys, I think this one is going to be my favorite look. You all know that I love gold, and so this is just so pretty. And guys, let me say the picture frame from the Dollar Tree looks fabulous also. And of course it was only $1. But I'm gonna add these little pieces. So there's the larger brooch and then some smaller little ornament pieces that I will add to this as well, just to add a little more detail to this one. I really want to fancy it up. Now I've hot glued them on in place, and I think they look so pretty. Guys, this picture frame looks very expensive. You could easily get this from any of the department stores for probably $15 to $20 or more. And so I think I'm going to add a little bit more detail by adding another brooch in the bottom corner. And there we have it. I have that one there. And I think this looks so pretty, very expensive. It looks very expensive, but it's really not. And here it is all set up together. I think it looks so pretty. The project came out beautifully. And I have it here on a tray that I already had set up with the other items. So I just added the little love jewelry dish there along with the picture frame. And now for our next project, I will be doing, I'm adding the Totally Dazzled bling wrap to a candle. And that is a battery operated candle. And I'm just attaching a brooch to the bling portion. So I'm leaving the brooch part on there and just clipping it on because I would like to use this for another project later. But that looks so pretty. So I'll just sit that there on the candle holder. And there we have our next look. And this is the feature look for this video because it is the tribute to my mom, my mother-in-law, and my sister who also is a mom. And guys, I think this looks so pretty. I've added the blue flowers there. I love hydrangeas. And it kind of picks up the blue in the background of the picture. And I think it makes the pink pop also. And with all of this silver, it just looks very pretty. But the picture frames turned out so nice. I just love it. Let me say a big thank you so much to Totally Dazzled for sending me their products, and I've had an awesome time using it. Okay guys, again let me say a big thank you so much to Kimberly for hosting this collaboration. This was so much fun, and I hope that you guys will be sure to go over to Kimberly's channel to check out her video as well as a playlist of all the other participants. And for my faithful family members, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. And if you are new here, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope that you have enjoyed this video enough to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Yeah, so again, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing all of you on the next video. Much love and many blessings. Bye bye.